Hey guys, quick summary update of where we finished today, Tuesday, the 8th of March. And great news. When I finished the live stream, we were 4,500 up on the day, which is good. We started to give it a little bit back, if I'm being completely honest, which was a little bit disappointing. We got almost 10,000 up on the day, and then we gave a little bit back, so we were 4,500 up. So I went away, took the dog for a walk. You know how I like to do after a live stream. Came back, and then we jumped on to Enservco. So Enservco, so ticker ENSV, worked out very well for us. We spent the best part of uh, half an hour, 45 minutes trading at Enservco, and we're able to get $12,000, $12,500 out of it. So all in all, a good day. We had took four trades in total that were winners, and one trade that was a loser. And thank heavens that the loser was only $80. Everything else was a reasonable size. So all the winners were much larger than the one loser. So the accuracy was good. The risk versus reward was good. Altogether, a great day, finishing a little over 16,000 in the green. And I'm just really enjoying trading these energy stocks at the moment. They really seem to be doing really well for me. So uh, back at it again tomorrow, and 2 hours before streaming, 2 hours before the market opens. See you then.